What up? So this is one of two fans that I just picked up from Habitat yesterday. This is a Hunter, either Mayfair, Summer Breeze, Passport, one of those. I'll have it figured out by the time the video is uploaded. But I got it because I think that the 4-blade versions, which are the older ones, are pretty cool. And also because it came with this light kit. Both of them did. There's actually 3 of them there, but I didn't need all 3, so decided to just get 2. They're very reasonably priced as well. Both of them have the same date code from 1990. Let's see. There it is. So I'm assuming second quarter of 1990. Has the older, smaller canopy instead of the wider one that Hunter normally, or that you normally see those with. The other one's over here. It's still cold, so I'm running the space heater. These are the mounting brackets they came with. I can't say I've ever had a Hunter before that had those. Let's show off the light. Pull chains are not original, but it didn't come with any extensions, so decided to put those on. It looks pretty cool on this fan, but I think this light would look more appropriate on, say, a Hunter original. I'm just going to do this in reverse. It does work in forward. But yeah, it seems that the previous owners did clean it, although not internally, which I don't blame them for. Because there's still a bit of dust inside the motor housing, but it's okay. These are pretty easy to take apart, so I'll be doing a dusting on both of them. But overall, very good shape. The bearings are still silent, it doesn't wobble, and in fact this one has a balancing weight on top of one of the blades, so they clearly tried to rectify that at some point. As for the glass, it has whatever the opposite of an indent is. I can't really tell what shape it really is. Maybe a shell? That's kind of cool. These two fans had the same exact glass for both light kits. The third one came with a different set of clear shades, which I didn't really like, so that's why I picked these two. I also forgot to put the switch cap piece on there before I put on the light kit, so that's why there's a bit of a gap. Very good functional low speed. So the 5-bladed version of this fan was somewhat childhood, I guess. And actually, do I have one of those? I'm not sure. No, I don't. I have the Summer Breeze, which is basically the same thing, but with no sideband. It's just flat white. But there used to be a supermarket called A&P. I don't know why I couldn't think of that word. Down here, and there was a whole row of those 5-blade versions, and I do have a video of that, which I'm glad that I do. That's on my channel currently. But eventually, I think all of the A&P stores were bought out by a different chain called Acme, and then they remodeled all the stores, and the fans were no longer. Although when they did remodel, they added those 2 Dayton Industrials at a very random spot in the store over 2 freezers. I guess it's gonna wobble a tiny bit in reverse. I tested it in forward before I started the video. And really the fan itself isn't even wobbling, it's just the light kit because there's no piece to that switch cap. I should also check what size motor this has. I'd guess 172 millimeter, but I can't know for sure. Hard to tell if there's any hum because of the heater, but I can't really hear anything. So if this was during the era of when Hunter the Quiet Fan slogan meant something, then this would hold up to that standard. When I was standing far away, I could feel the air, so it is moving, a good breeze. I'll go ahead and turn it off. So I'm likely keeping one of these, but the other one will probably be for sale with a different, more normal looking light kit. Because this one is pretty gaudy for this model. All depends if other collectors have an interest in it though. Yeah, I can't really recall any places that I've seen this, like this model in the wild or anything. Not counting like real estate listings. There you have it. A 1990s 4-blade something or other. I don't know. And we'll know later. Ceiling fan. Thanks for watching.